Designers, I'm super excited because we got some updates from Mucho, or Generative Design Figma plugin.
Yo, what's Mucho?
You know we got this dope AI Figma plugin, right? Oh, no. Well, yeah, and it's called Mucho. I like to pronounce it Mucho, but you can say Masho or Musho, whatever you like. And, well, we're making it do a ton of dope stuff, so it becomes your personal design assistant. And to start with, we focus on getting it really good at creating landing pages. That's it. That was our first goal. And I think we got there. Now, our goal is to make it really good at remixing your designs in Figma. The stuff that you already made, the stuff that is already on your canvas, making it better. So for example, let's say that you were selling tacos and now your business is changing to just selling bananas. Don't worry, Mucho can just select it, remix it, and now it can just sell bananas. Okay, updates. Let's do it. So first off, we added DALL-E 3 as our default image generator. Actually, it's been for 2 weeks, so if you notice, this is no update for you. And you can still access a Stable Diffusion with some layer naming tricks. All you have to do is just add -- DALL-E or -- SD for Stable Diffusion at the end of your layer name, and then Mucho will know that this is going to be an image for DALL-E or Stable Diffusion, and will just replace the fill as an image fill coming from those models. You can also add -- AI Splash, which will search through our curated image collection. These are all images that we created with AI, but they look really good. So those are pretty dope. Now, something awesome. We introduced a way for you to share your results from Mucho into the web. So whenever you create a new design with Mucho, you can just share a link to it. Then others can view and share or even copy the prompt that you use and use them on their own designs. Another dope update: color variables and font styles. So on every new generation, Mucho will create these variables and font styles for you. This way you can keep everything tidy and organized in your file, and also just change anything if you want to later really easily. And in case you're not a fan of variables and font styles, or just not a fan of how Mucho names those things, well, you can turn on and off those things on your user preferences.
You don't tell me what to do.
And last but not least, we have a new brand. Yay! I'll be honest, I've been wanting to use yellow as a primary color in a brand for a long time, so this was our opportunity to mix it up with black and white to create something dope. But I don't know, did we overdo it? Too much yellow?
My eye!
Let us know in the comments. Okay, one last thing. We also created a new website where you can just manage all your account details and your preferences and all that simple stuff. But we're planning to also bring new functionality to the web later in the future. And that's it. Those are our updates from Mucho. Make sure to go to musho.ai and just try the Figma plugin, and we will love to see what you create. You can now share a link and tag us. That is so dope. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.